Are you a big fan of fashion?
Yes, I am. I believe every girl is crazy about fashion.
What style do you choose to wear?
Well, my favorite piece of clothes is a dress. Depending on the situation, I choose a formal or informal dress to wear.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, I'm a shopaholic, actually.
Is there any fashion icon who you want to wear the same?
Yes, I really admire Taylor Swift and wish to wear like her.
Do you create your own fashion style?
No, I'm not a fashionista, so most of the time I just follow the fashion trend.
Do you prefer vintage or modern style?
Why? Honestly, I love vintage style. Wearing classic clothes makes me feel like I'm special.
Have you ever attended any fashion show?
Not in real life. I just watch them on TV.
What do people think about your fashion style?
I don't know exactly, and I don't care much about it. I just wear what makes me comfortable and confident.
Are you going to change your fashion style in the future?
Well, I can't tell. Maybe fashion is changeable, and I am, too.
Is fashion important to people?
Yes, in my opinion. Fashion can partly reveal who you are.